So, it's day 3. Day 3 of my cold. It's got much worse. Today, you can hear it. It's kind of in my nose and in my chest. In my nose and in my nose and my chest. Coughing a lot all day. Oh no. Stuck. I hate warm weather cold. It's kind of nice out. and you can't really enjoy it. Oh God, it's stuck. That's the worst part. So last night, I was up coughing most of the night and sneezing. It's mostly just in my nose, but, you know, I get a lot of post-nasal drip, and that's what happens. I wake up with a really sore throat because my mouth is open all night. Oh, God. Yup. I feel another sneeze, but it's stuck. Oh God. That hurt. Come on. Just one more. One more. Oh, that hurt. Oh, it's like really thick. You know, that's the state. It's kind of like all the really gross gunk. Anyway, I think that's it. Oh, half a nose. Oh, I just want people to know that how lucky they are if they can have a working horn.